Hi everyone, welcome back to Create Vista Studio. Today, we're going to make a beautiful resin wall clock using a special photograph and some lovely green, white, and gold colors.
What if your favorite memory could actually become the most beautiful thing on your wall? Today, we are turning this picture into a luxury resin clock. First, I'm going to cut the photograph into a perfect circle. Our photo is 13 inches. I want the photo to fit neatly in the center of the clock.
Now we'll protect the photograph with two very thin coats. I'll spray from both directions and then leave our photo leaf for 24 hours.
Next, we'll prepare the resin. I'm measuring the resin and hardener carefully according to the instructions for this particular resin. Now I'm mixing everything slowly and thoroughly. I'm also making sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the cup so the two components combine properly. Once the resin is mixed, I am dividing it into 3 cups. We'll use these cups for our white, green, and gold colors. For the first cup, I'm adding white mica powder. I'll mix it slowly until the color is completely smooth and evenly distributed. For the second cup, I'm using a deep green mica powder. This rich green is going to be the main color in our clock design. And for the third cup, I'm adding gold mica. This will give the finished clock some beautiful metallic highlights. Here's our 16-inch silicone mold, and it's completely clean and ready. I'm going to start building the first resin layer inside it. Now I'm pouring the white, green, and gold resin into the mold. I'm placing the colors in different sections so we can create a natural flowing pattern. I'm gently moving the resin with a wooden stick to connect the colors. I don't want to mix them too much because I want those beautiful natural waves to remain visible. Now for one of my favorite parts. Bye-bye bubbles. Just keep the heat moving and let the resin do its magic. Welcome back! Our first layer is ready, so let's prepare some fresh, clear resin for the next beautiful layer. Now we add a thin, clear layer. Think of it as a crystal glass blanket for everything we're about to add.
And now, the heart of our clock. Our beautiful couple goes right here in the center. Easy does it. Now for the golden Roman numerals. And suddenly, this clock has decided it belongs in a 5-star hotel. A gentle press from the center outward. Let's add some sparkling fireglass around the edges, because apparently normal decoration was just not dramatic enough.
This is the final pour, one glossy layer to bring everything together, and honestly, look at that shine. And here it is. Our beautiful memory has finally become a luxury resin clock. Look at those colors and that gorgeous glossy finish.
And now it's ready to hang. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful memory clock with me. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe Vista Studio for the next one. See you soon!